Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the top right door hinge on your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Using a T15 Torx bit or a 1/8 inch Allen bit, loosen the 4 mounting screws, securing both hinges to the frame. Pull off the hinge covers. Have an assistant help you to slide the door to the right to detach. Then set the door down on a towel or blanket. Unthread the 2 inside mounting screws, securing the hinge you're replacing. Now, starting on a corner, pull the door gasket free of the channel. You will need to unthread all of the screws, securing the custom panel to the door assembly. With the custom panel removed, you can now access the outside hinge mounting screws. Unthread the 2 screws and remove the old hinge. Install the new door hinge by aligning it on the frame, then thread and tighten the 2 outside mounting screws. Confirm the spacers are aligned with the inside hinge screw holes. Then thread and tighten the 2 inside mounting screws to secure the hinge. Realign the custom panel and secure it with the screws. Starting on a corner, reinsert the gasket into the channel on the liner. Reinstall the door assembly by aligning the hinges on the screws threaded into the frame. Slide on the hinge covers, then tighten all 4 screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.